that? Greetings, everyone. So for pretty much like a year now, I have been subscribed to the Sephora Play Box. And if you check my Instagrams, I have always posted a picture of what I got in my box. Well, finally, a year later, April 2018, I'm gonna go ahead and open it on camera because I've got a YouTube channel, so why not? Ookie dookie. Let's open up this bad boy. Whoa! Insta Beauty. Ooh, alright. The bag is kind of cute. It says make it snappy in a lavender color with this green string. It's different. Alright. I'll just do this like a mystery box. I'll just pull one thing out at a time. Ooh, wow. Okay. I wonder if they know they gave me two of these. It's the Elizabeth and James Nirvana White. I've wanted to try these. I think my last box didn't even come with a perfume, so I can't smell anything. Yeah, I got two. Oh well. That smells good. I like this. What? A fragrance created by Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen? What? 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 I like this. It reminds me of when I was really little, I had these princess dolls, and then like in their back they had this little thing that you took out and then you put like little perfume droppers in it so that they smelled. If anyone knows what I'm talking about, leave a comment. I like it. It's kind of like a clean smell. Okay, now that I've got two of those to play with, let's reach back on in and grab, I always get a lot of this, Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Rescue Mask. I've gotten a lot of stuff from Fresh in my Sephora Play boxes. Seaweed Radiance Facial. Ooh, this smells really good. Well, I mean, it smells like seaweed, kind of, but look at that texture. Looks like cookies and cream. Ooh, I like it. Maybe I'll try that tonight. Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For No Filter Mattifying Primer. I didn't know Peter Thomas Roth had makeup. This is a primer. Put some on the back of my hand. It's kind of like a skin tone color. A little peachy. The texture is interesting. It's kind of oily or waxy like. Oh wow, that like instantly smoothed the back of my hand. I might like this. The only thing I'm worried about is that it might feel oily from the texture that I felt, but it smoothed out the back of my hand like crazy. Okay, there's still like 3 more things in here. Purity Made Simple Moisturizer. I get a lot of stuff from Philosophy as well. One of the reasons why I don't typically do unboxings of these is that I get a lot of hair and like skincare stuff, and I'd like to do like a try on, but I'm not gonna sit here and wash my hair and put in a hair mask. We have 2 more things. We have Makeup Forever Professional Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen. Is it a foundation? Blurring skin tint? I'm confused. I'm so confused. Is this like the Ultra HD foundation? It's in the shade 08. So let's put this here. I think this is the new one that they just came out with. Oh, that's far too dark for me. Okay, so a little tidbit on this guy. According to the little fold-out Movavi, it is an innovative skin tint that lies between BB cream and foundation. Sheer to medium coverage, but unfortunately it's way too dark for me. Alright, so it looks like we got one thing left, and it is Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Gloss. This big old boxy. Ooh. Shiny, cushiony color. What shade is this? It is SPL. Does that stand for something? Because I know Urban Decay has, like, naughty names for their things. What does SPL stand for? I don't know, but ooh, this is really pretty. It's a super shiny pink color. I'll swatch it and then maybe I'll put it on too. I'm just wearing a matte nude lipstick. Oh my gosh. Interesting smell. It's kind of minty, maybe? Ooh, is this supposed to be plumping? Because it feels plumping. It's very sticky. This is the holy grail of glosses. Our ultra shiny formula glides on cushiony soft and provides long-lasting wear that's comfortable, not tacky. Maybe as it dries down. Laced with vitamin E and peppermint oil, our hydrating formula nourishes, has a plumping effect, and comes in a yummy vanilla mint flavor. And it's like oxidizing, it's so dark. Anyway, so that was it. That was my April 2018 Sephora Play Box. I'm pretty happy with what I got. I can't wait to try out the primer. I do dig the lip gloss, and it smells really good. I like this. Nirvana White. And then I'll try out that mask tonight. Good to go. Alright, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if I should do this every month when my Sephora Play Box comes in. I'd love to do that. Subscribe, please. And I'll see you later. Bye.